staying at home and keeping yourself busy. Today we're going to make a fruit summer recipe. So let's start making right now. So we are making 3 types of desserts with custard. If you want to know the recipe for custard, check the description box. First, it's mango custard. Put some mango pieces. Add some custard. Put some mango puree. Repeat the process again. Put some mangoes on top and garnish it with dry fruits. Next is strawberry custard. Add strawberries at the bottom. Add some custard and some strawberry syrup. Repeat the process again. Add some strawberries on top. Then garnish it with dry fruits again. Now the mixed fruit custard. Add some cut apples, bananas and some cut grapes and add some custard and repeat it again. Garnish it with some pomegranate and dry fruits. Now our custards are ready. Serve them cold. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.